Hello friends, I am Rudrak Sharma and welcome to my channel JMB Rudrak Science Classes. So friends, in today's video, I am going to discuss the exercise for the chapter resources of class 8. So let's start. So our first question will be fill in the blanks with appropriate words. So first is a leather is as I told you that leather is obtained from living organisms, so that's why it's a bio resource. Leather is a biotic resource. Minerals like iron, ore, copper, lead are dash resources. So, there can be two answers. First of all, can be abiotic resources. Abiotic resources because iron ore, copper, and lead they are obtained from non-living things as they are non-living. And second can be localized because they are found at a specific places. So localized resources. So two answers can be there. Minerals like iron ore, copper, lead are abiotic as well as localized resources. Next is abiotic resources comes from, as I told you that abiotic resources comes from the non-living things. So answer will be non-living things. Next is your question D, which is minerals that can't be used because we do not have the technology to exploit them are called dash resources. As I told you that the minerals that can't be extracted by us or exploited by us because we don't have sufficient technology, but we know them, are known as the potential resources. Next is education and skills increase the value of the resources. As I told you, if a country's people would be educated, it will increase in the value of the resources of the country. And I also gave you the example of Japan in my previous video. So next is that choose the correct answer. So we have to choose the correct option. First is the resources derived from living things are called. So the resources that we take from living things, as I told you, they are the biotic resources. Next is question B. Which one of these is not an abiotic resource? As we know that coal is abiotic, petroleum is abiotic, and iron is also abiotic. But humans are biotic. So that's why humans is the correct answer. Next is which one of these is not an example of skilled human resource? So, as we know that engineer is a skilled person, a doctor is skilled, and a journalist is also skilled, but potters are not skilled. So that's why option third. Next is question number D. Which one of these is not an human-made resource? So options are Sundarban Delta, NH1, Howrah Bridge, and Delhi Metro. As we know that NH1, Howrah Bridge, and Delhi Metro are made by the humans, whereas the Sundarban Delta is a delta which is formed by the river Ganga and the river Brahmaputra. So that's why it is a natural resource and it's not a human-made resource. Next, your question number E. The minerals which can't be extracted because we do not have the technology to do so are example of, as I told you, here also that minerals can't be exploited because we don't have the technology as potential resources. So same answer would be here also, option 1, potential resources. So now we'll do our question third, which is match the rows. So these are your rows. So the coal would be matched with non-renewable resource because if the coal is finished, it would not be renewed again. So coal with a non-renewable resource. Your motor car is your human-made resource because it is made by the human. So human-made resource. Next is your sugarcane. So your sugarcane is a biotic resource because it is obtained from the living organism which is the plants. Sugar came from biotic resource. Doctors are human resources because we in doctors we use the doctor use that knowledge to like make the country develop. So that's why it's a human resource. So doctors D, human resource. Next is water. So water is a renewable resource because the water can be renewed. So that's why coal with non-renewable resources, motor car with human-made resource, sugarcane with biotic resource, doctors with human resource, and water with your renewable resource. So our next question is right, true or false. So let's start. First is water is a renewable resource. As I told you that water is a renewable resource, so that's why it is true. Next is coal is a renewable resource. No, coal comes under the category of non-renewable resource. It's not a renewable resource. So that's why it is false. Ubiquitous resources are found everywhere. True. Because air, soil, water are found everywhere. That's why they are known as the ubiquitous resources. Next is potential resources are the resources which can be extracted easily. No, it's false. As I told you, potential resources are the sources which are known to us, but we don't have the technology to exploit them. So that's why question number D is false. Next is we do not need to conserve resources. No, it's false. It is very important to conserve our resources, because if we will not conserve our resources, sources would not be left for our future generations. I hope you liked my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and also press the bell icon to get notifications of my future video. Thank you.